Hello everyone, this is Meenakshi and today I'm going to take the maths of class 7th, lesson number 5, powers and exponents, exercise number 5.3, part 11. And this is the last part of these lessons, and remaining all 10 parts are available in the playlist of my YouTube channel. If you haven't seen them, so please watch them. All the videos of this lesson is available in the playlist of my YouTube channel. So let's start with the part 11 and exercise number 5.3. So the question number 4, find the number. Okay, we have to find out the number. So the question is given 3 into 10 raised to the power 4 plus 6 into 10 raised to the power 3 plus 0 into 10 raised to the power 2 plus 4 into 10 raised to the power 1 plus 8 into 10 raised to the power 0. A number is given in the form of expanded exponential. So expanded exponential form of number is given. By using this form we have to take out the numbers. So this number can be written as the solution. First, what is given, that we will write 3 into 10 raised to the power 4 plus 6 into 10 raised to the power 3 plus 0 into 10 raised to the power 2 plus 4 into 10 raised to the power 1 plus 8 into 10 raised to the power 0. So here 10 raised to the power 0 is given, means 10 will be multiplied itself 4 times, and when we will multiply 10 with itself 4 times, so it will become 10,000. Here 10 raised to the power 3 means 10 is multiplied itself 3 times, and 10 raised to the power 3 is nothing but 1000. 10 raised to the power 2 means 10 will be multiplied with itself 2 times, and 10 into 10 will be 100. And here 10 raised to the power 1 means 10 only, and 10 raised to the power 0 is 1 according to the law. Okay, so we will write it as 3 into 10,000 plus 6 into 1000 plus 0 into 100 plus 4 into 10 plus 8 into 1. Now we will multiply this 10,000 with 3, this 1000 with 6, 0 with 100, 4 with 10 and 8 with 1. So we will get here 30,000 plus 6,000 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 40 plus 8. Now we will add them. By adding we will get a number that is 36,048. So this is how we have to take out a number when a expanded exponential form is given. So the next question is question number 5. The population of a country is 46 crore 78 lakh 5,000. Sorry, it is 46 crore 7 lakh 85,000. So the population of a country is given 46 crore 7 lakh 85,000, and this population we have to express in a scientific notation, and the scientific notation means nothing but exponential form. So here the solution, the population of a country is 46 crore 7 lakh 85,000. The scientific notation of 46 crore 7 lakh 85,000 is, we can write it as, so as I told you already how to convert a long number in an exponential form. So here after first digit give a decimal, and after that whatever non-zero numbers are given that we have to write, so that we will write it as 4.6785, and after that what is given, 3 zeros. So we will multiply it with a number from where we have given a decimal. From there how many digits are there after that decimal, that we have to count. So how many digits are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. If 7 digits are there, so it means in multiplication we will write 1 with 7 zeros, as the 7 digits are there after decimal. So it is 4.6785 into 1 crore, so which can be written as 4.6785 into 10 raised to the power 7. This is how we have to convert a number in a scientific notation. Therefore the population of a country in scientific notation is 4.6785 into 10 raised to the power 7. Then the next question, this one is the last question, question number 6. The speed of a fighter plane is 1.008 into 10 raised to the power 2 km per hour. How much distance would it travel in 2 hours? Okay, so what is given, a speed of a fighter plane is 1.008 into 10 raised to the power 2 km per hour, means a fighter plane is covering a distance 1.008 into 10 raised to the power 2 in 1 hour. So how much it will travel in 2 hours. So for that we will multiply this number with 2 to find out the how much distance will it cover in 2 hours. So the solution given, what is given? Distance covered by a fighter plane in 1 hour equals to 1.008 into 10 raised to power 2 kilometer. So we can write this number, as the number is given in the exponential form, we can write it in a standard form also, that is a normal form, that is 1.008 into 100, because 10 raised to the power 2 means it is 10 into 10 and 10 into 10 is equals to 100. So that is 1.008 into 100 kilometers. So when we multiply 1.008 with 100, we will get 1008.00 kilometer, which is equals to 1008 kilometer. Now it means the fighter plane is covering a distance in 1 hour, that is 1008 kilometers. So how much it will cover in 2 hours? So for that we will multiply this number with 2. So that is distance covered by a fighter plane in 2 hours equals to 2 into 1008.00 kilometer, which is equals to 2 multiplied by the number, it will gives, that is 2,01,600. 2,01,600 kilometer. It means the distance covered by a fighter plane in 2 hours is 2,01,600 kilometer. Now we will write it in a exponential form. So it will become 2.016 into 10 raised to the power 2 kilometer. As I already told you how to convert a number in an exponential form, but again I'm going to explain you, that is after first digit give a decimal, that is 2.016. Now in 2 how many zeros are there? That is 2. So we will multiply here into 10 raised to the power 2 kilometer. Okay, this is how we have to take out the answer. So thank you for watching this video. I hope this lesson is understood by you. If you like my teaching, so please do like, subscribe and share to my channel. Thank you so much.